In this video, I'll show you how Lovable and Hostinger Horizons compare and help you decide which platform is right for your needs. Start by understanding the main purpose of each platform. Lovable is an AI-powered app builder designed to help users create web applications by describing what they want in plain English. It focuses on rapidly generating full-stack applications, including user interfaces, databases, authentication, and integrations. Hostinger Horizons is also an AI app builder, but it is more tightly integrated with Hostinger's hosting ecosystem and is designed to help users build, edit, and publish web apps from a single platform. When it comes to ease of use, both platforms are beginner-friendly. With Lovable, you typically start by entering a prompt that describes your application. The AI then generates the project and allows you to continue refining it through conversation. Hostinger Horizons follows a similar approach, but emphasizes a streamlined workflow that combines app creation and deployment in one environment. For beginners who already use Hostinger services, Horizons may feel more straightforward. Next, let's look at customization. Lovable generally offers more flexibility for users who want to build sophisticated applications and continue extending them over time. Many users choose Lovable for SaaS products, internal tools, dashboards, and startup prototypes. Hostinger Horizons focuses more on quickly creating and publishing functional web apps without requiring users to manage multiple services. For deployment, Hostinger Horizons has a major advantage for users already hosted with Hostinger. Since hosting and publishing are built into the ecosystem, getting an app online can be very simple. Lovable can also deploy applications, but users may connect external services depending on their workflow and project requirements. Now let's compare AI-assisted development. Both platforms use conversational AI to generate and modify applications. Lovable is often favored by users who want more control over application logic and iterative development. Hostinger Horizons is designed to reduce complexity and provide an all-in-one experience for users who want to move from idea to live application as quickly as possible. When considering scalability, Lovable may be the stronger option for more complex projects and startups that expect ongoing feature development. Hostinger Horizons is often a good fit for small business tools, simple customer portals, landing page-based applications, and projects where convenience is the top priority. Pricing and features can change over time, so it's important to compare the latest plans before choosing. In general, your decision should depend more on your workflow than on a single feature list. If your goal is to rapidly prototype and build increasingly sophisticated applications with strong AI-assisted development, Lovable is often the better choice. If your goal is to create and publish web applications quickly within an integrated hosting environment, Hostinger Horizons may be the better fit. Finally, try both platforms if possible. Building a small test project on each platform is often the fastest way to determine which one better matches your technical skills, business goals, and preferred workflow. And that's it. You've successfully learned the differences between Lovable and Hostinger Horizons. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.